Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to organize this drawer. By organize, I mean I think I'm going to move this section into over here, like into my desk area. This is next to it, because this stuff isn't properly used, like displayed slash like it's not functional anymore. Like, look, this used to be like 2 rows, and now I'm gaining so many different things that need to be vertical in like the top coat and base area that I think it's time to move them so I can see them better and really organize potentially this drawer. But I think I'm gonna take a lot of my base items and move them over there into my other area. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is where I'm thinking this will go, because then I have everything that I need, and I feel like this will just give me like my necessities without having to like worry about anything. Like, this is just this, and probably going to put these actually back here. I don't use these 2 brushes, whoops, very often. These are the fan brushes, so I just keep them in their container. So I'll slide that back there. Oh, there's still quite a bit of room. Trying to think if there's something that I can store back there that I don't need. Maybe my cleanser. But yeah, these are a lot deeper than what I remember. And then I was thinking storing these here, that way I can just grab a chunk, work, and then just put them back that I don't need. So this would be a more functional area. Obviously I have a mess over there, but maybe these would also go here. Let's see. Does the drawer shut? Sure does. Yeah, I'm thinking this is where it's at, because I don't care if this is open while I do nails, because I always leave the other drawer open. So these are the Selena Ryden brushes that I had in there. I use them quite often, so I leave them there. These are the bases, which actually, since they're over here, I need to flip them. So like steps 1 into like the last couple steps. I just got Jimmy Gel, so I use gelish foundation all the time because I wanted a soak off base under my nails, even though I literally have never ever soaked off my nails. But Jimmy Gel is like, yeah. So this is extra, so I guess I can just keep that in there. That way I just have that stuff in there. Which, these are my cheaper brushes and whatnot, or some brushes like this. So yeah, I think this drawer is gonna be perfect.